Okay, so before we do any of our projects, I'm going to show you some designs which I have made using canva.com. So let's get straight into it. So we have some Udemy course images. Let's open them in a new tab. Awesome. We have our promo, which we had for 10,000 students, $10 every single course. And we've got a few different thumbnails and a few different designs on here as well. So let's click on some of these, just open them in a new tab so we can just go through them for you. And that is awesome. So let's just open one last one. Let's open the YouTube banner. Fantastic. So first let's go through these YouTube thumbnails, which are the Udemy course promo images. Okay. So we have, first of all, our Instagram one, and then we have our Instagram ads one, and then we have our Snapchat one, and then another one we had for the Snapchat course, and Canva, and many different ones just here, which are all absolutely wicked. These are absolutely awesome, and they're really fun to make, and they have really high quality as well. As you can see, they get worse quality as you scroll down, because this is where we made our first few, and then we learned how to be better, and then you scroll up, and these are the really nice ones with the faded backgrounds like this, and this, and this. They're all the super nice Udemy images, and they are super high quality as well. So that is fantastic. So then we have gift certificate. So here we have created ourselves a gift certificate, which we have also turned into a GIF, which is quite funny, a gift certificate, which we've turned into a GIF, which is quite ironic. So yeah, we have get any course for $10 because of our 10,000 student celebration. Use the code BLACKBRICK, la-di-da-di-da. But yeah, this is what we have designed using Canva. It looks awesome. You can just move every single part around. It's all modular. So there we go, every single part. Fantastic. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Of course, we don't want to save any of that, so let's click Ctrl Z a ton of times and move everything back to how it was. There we go. And now we have some more YouTube thumbnails. So we've got use social media to gain visitors, and that is to your website, of course. So we've got Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and then we've got a Facebook like icon just there. So fantastic. And then this is a video which I never ended up actually making, a Buffer social media management tool. So we've got the Buffer logo, once again all the different social medias at the bottom, and the Facebook like. So yep, that's that. And then the promo image again, we've got that as a thumbnail now, as we did a YouTube video on it, so that's awesome. And then we've got SEO, what is SEO, save your Snapchat stories forever, the top 3 SEO tips of 2017, and finally Facebook page likes, 0.003 cents per like, and that is absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's that. That's some more thumbnail designs that we've made. And finally we have our YouTube channel art. So as you can see, we've got all of these different little shapes and squares. We've got a black square with a B in the middle of it, and then we've got some nice colour around the outside of it. So let's just put that back roughly how it was, and then we've got the Ultimate Online Courses text, black brick, as of course we've got the B over there in white with the black background, as it looks quite nice. And then we have some nice styles, some code in the background, and that looks quite nice. What we could even do is add the background a filter and just blur it a little. So if I go to blur and move this up a little, as you can see, that blurs the background. So I think that looks quite nice with a blur, to be honest. So I might leave it like that. That's fantastic. So yeah, that is a few different designs which we have made in this website called canva.com, and this will just make you want to start using Canva yourself, as you can now see how easy you can use Canva to make some fantastic and high quality designs. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.